So Kepion has given us the ability to manage capital across the organization, as well as support us improve in other areas of the business through their modules. My name is Chris Centeno. I've been with Magna for 23 years, and I'm a VP of IT. Magna is more than one of the world's largest suppliers in the automotive space. We are a mobility technology company built to innovate with a global entrepreneurial-minded team of over 174,000 employees across 351 manufacturing operations and 103 product development, engineering, and sales centers spanning 30 countries. The biggest problem we were trying to address is Magna had many different capital planning systems, and we saw the opportunity to centralize that into one system. This was a business-led initiative. After evaluating two other solutions, Kepion met Magna's unique business requirements. Team members benefited in key areas: automation of workflows that allowed them to better manage our capital planning, as well as our spend, tracking, and elimination of multiple data entries. The implementation of Kepion was a joint effort between IT and various business functions, where each group defined their implementation timeline based on business priorities. Our ability to get insights from data, collections of analytics, providing us valuable insights to make data-driven decisions.